Hello everyone. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to remove background without using green cloth with the help of OBS and Skype. So what are all we require? Of course, we require OBS Studio and we have to install NDI plugin. Then we require Skype app to use this one. Right now, whatever you are seeing, that is doing same logic whatever I am going to explain now. Okay, so let's quickly go through it and see how we can do it. So everybody know it. If somebody don't know how to use OBS, I'll give my OBS video link in the description. You just go through it, then you come back to this video. Okay, so in this video we'll just first type OBS NDI plugin. Okay, the moment if we type here, you can see that OBS NDI plugin, then it says that OBS project. You go here and then you can read the description, whatever is written here and so on. So just go to downloads. Then you download this file. Okay, you just go down here and here you can see that this OBS 4.9.0 Windows installer, either directly you can take exe file or copy the zip file, download the zip file and paste it there. Okay, suppose if I click this one, this is smaller one, 2.15 MB, and then because it is a exe file, you just you can see that this is a exe file, and you double click it, and when it asks for replace OBS, don't worry, you just give okay. It doesn't replace our OBS, but it installs that plugin. Okay, once we are done with this NDI plugin, we can open our OBS and I will show you where NDI is activated. And similarly, if you don't have Skype, then just go to Skype and download the latest version of the Skype. Okay, for desktop, or even if you have when you are using on laptop, you just download for this version. Okay, get Skype for Windows. Okay, so just download this and install it. With your mobile you can log in. It is freely, one can log in it, so it is around 72 MB. I have downloaded already, so I don't do it here. Just download this one and install. Okay, this latest version. I am right now cancelling that. So what we have to do is we have to install this NDI plugin and Skype. If we are done with these two, then we go to Skype. Okay, open the Skype first. Then you can see that right now whatever I am here, I have just started meeting. You can start the meeting without any members. Okay, so before that, what we have to do is say download and install Skype. Then next thing is we have to log into Skype with the help of mobile. You do it free registration, then log in it. Okay, once we log in it to Skype, if you click on this three horizontal dots, you will see that settings. So you click on this settings button. Once we click on the settings button, here there will be calling. You go to calling section. In this calling section, you go to this advanced. I repeat again, go to settings, then calling, after that advanced. So you click on this advanced. Now here you can see that use NDI technology. So for me it is already enabled. So by default it will be off. So you just enable this. This is the thing we have to do, settings before starting our Skype call. Then just like how we start Zoom or anything, in Skype also we can start meeting. So just start the meeting. You can see here meeting with Surendra. You are the only one person on this call. That is fine. So just download Skype and log in and enable NDI, then start the meeting. Once you start the meeting with your webcam, you on it. Okay, now how we will put this background, this color is the question. So for that, if you go to below, there is a more section here. Okay, you click on this. Just let me take this somewhat here. Okay, now you click on this here, you click on this more. Once you click on this more, choose background effect. So you click on this choose background effect. Then here there will be options, choose background effect. There will be blur and images. You can click on this plus symbol and download the one green screen with HD resolution. Okay. Uh, Download that and keep it on your desktop or somewhere else, then upload. Suppose if I click on this plus symbol, okay, here you can see that I have downloaded some. You just open it and click that, okay, because I already have it, it will be there. So you have to simply, what we are doing is we are uploading our background image as a green screen. Instead of using green cloth, we are using green screen. Okay, so once we are done with this, now once you can see that background, your green instead of green cloth or instead of any other, you will have green screen, okay, background to that. That's all. This we have to do it with Skype. So what are all we have to do with this Skype? Download Skype, log in with Skype, then go to settings, enable NDI plugin, then start the meeting. Okay, once we start the meeting, of course, if many people are there, their video is on, we can include that in our OBS. At present, I am saying only about other. The same thing we can do it for many people. That means this also works if you want to interact with more than one people using OBS. We can do it. Suppose somebody connected with through you, somebody connected with you through Skype, then that fellow also we can bring it to our NDI. Okay, sorry, OBS. That is very, very interesting. Now you just minimize this. Okay, once we minimize this, now go to OBS. So OBS, open OBS. Once we open OBS, where we will see is that NDI is open, installed or not. To check that, you go to this plus symbol, you click on this plus symbol. Okay, so here you will find NDI source. So if this is there, that means you have properly installed NDI source. Otherwise, you reinstall again. So you click on this NDI source. Once we click on this NDI source, give it name whatever or keep it as it is. Then click OK. Once we click on this, here it says that source name. That means from which we have to select that. So if I click on this, you can see that Surendra Skype local, because I have started my Skype meeting and there my video is available. I can bring that to here. Okay, you just click on OK and select that and click on OK. Select this and click on OK. So once we click on that, you can see that now I am having two videos. Okay, webcam. So same webcam, actually I am doing it, so I can put it how many times I want. And now if you see here, there are two images, two webcams. One is with green background, the other one is removed. Okay, how we did it? Now you click on this, then you go to filters. There will be a filters option here. So this is the latest OBS version. Otherwise, you just right click on this and click on this filters. So if we click on this filters, what you see here is right now something like this. So we have to, what we have to do is we have to remove the background. Okay, that I have many times explained how we can remove background. You just go to filters, in that just click on this plus symbol under this filters and click on chroma key. Once we click on chroma key, immediately you can see that my background is removed. This works far better than whatever green cloth we use, because in green cloth, if lighting is not proper anything, then it won't remove that much properly. But now you can see that all borders is removed clearly. Okay, right? So you just click close. Now you see that right now I am many you will see that so many things. So we can start adding. So assume that in my call some other person is there. So if some other person is there, simply go to NDI source. If whoever, how many people are there in that NDI source, that many it will show. So you just select that person, then you put it here. So you for example, I want to interact with someone through using OBS. That means adding guest is very easy with the help of this NDI plugin. Okay, right now we are done. Right now, what you do is you open your PPT, you open your notes, anything, you just start recording. Then your background will be removed, and you will have nice things. Okay, so for example, if I disable this, now I gone. Actually, we can put it any how many people we want here, right? So this is one way. Suppose you are doing live interaction, anything, and you want to invite guest to your through OBS, we can do it using this. Just we have to take the help of NDI and something like Skype video calling, where NDI is enabled. So in Skype, it is freely enabled, so we can install, we can allow, I can call someone, or we can just have our own meeting where nobody else is there. Then you put it background image as a green screen, some green image, then remove background using OBS. That much simple. Why this is why I am telling now, because now for example, most of the time our university colleges have started. Now we have to go and take lecture from our office itself. There we may not be having green cloth, all those things, background may not be proper. So if at all someone want to take lectures properly, then we can remove this using this technique whatever I have explained. So I hope you liked it. If you like it, then try to share with maximum people, so that one can start removing background in using OBS, NDI plugin, and Skype call. Okay, so whichever platform supports NDI, for example, here we have used Skype. If Microsoft Teams supports NDI, if we can able to enable NDI in Microsoft Teams, if at all Zoom supports or Google Meet supports, then that we can bring it here. Right now I have explained with the Skype, and anyone can start using Skype completely free. Okay, so this one is more than sufficient, right? Thank you once again, and try to share with maximum people so that people will know these things. Thank you.